All right, folks, so you've got a drain that as you fill it, it doesn't want to drain back down. This is with the drain completely open. It's not going down. We've already tried liquid drain cleaner, all kinds of stuff, but I do shave my face. Sometimes hair gets down in there. Nothing large should be able to get past this little stopper guy. What happens is things get caught in the P-trap. So we're gonna go down below, take that P-trap apart and see what exactly is preventing this from draining. Okay, so as you can see, there's a bit of water in there, so I'm gonna open that all the way up. Oh, there's my stash of toilet paper. And let's open this side. Now this is my daily use toilet paper. Just gonna set that. See how I keep it in reach. There's a drawer here. It's sometimes a little tricky to get out. It's just a little bit in the way, but let's find a place to... The first thing you're gonna want is a drain pan. Now, what I wanna show you, let me go ahead and get this stuff out of the way too. What I wanna show you though, is it's very easy to go get your largest pan out of the kitchen and just stick it under there, right? But what happens when this is full? Oh wait, I've gotta turn it to get it out. So make sure you use something like this that's gonna actually fit. And before we do that, let's throw a towel down, have our little bucket. We're gonna proceed. Now, this is the most important part. You do not need tools to take this apart, and especially to put it together. If it's really seized, you might get a pair of channel locks to take it apart, but if it's that bad, you're gonna wanna replace the whole thing because it should never get to the point where you can't just do that by hand. So, it's gonna drip. Let's get this side fully off first, because our clog is in here somewhere. Almost guarantee it. It's usually right in that bend. We get this piece all the way off. And then this one is a little compression dealy. So we're gonna get that all the way off. Take your time, let the water come out. You don't really wanna like have it gushing. This is all coming from what's still in the sink basin. Get this off. Okay. And look at that right there, right off the bat. I don't know how Q-tips even got in there, but we got some Q-tips and something else. That is, well, all right. Not sure how that got. Let's just toss that aside. So now we've cleared the obstruction. So the most important thing here is you've got this little ring and it goes that way down because that's going to create a seal when that goes on tight. But first I want to take, with that lined up, get this side fully tightened. Not all the way tight yet. Just get it pretty tight. And then we can maneuver this onto that pipe. Get that started. There we are. Okay, make sure they're not cross-threaded. And then once you get it snug, it's going to compress that little plastic ring. Sorry, I keep bumping the camera there. Get them both good and snug. And now, we're going to leave that bucket there for right now. I just want to test that we don't have any leaks, and more importantly, well, just as importantly, I suppose, that it is in fact draining. It does drain a little slow because this only allows a certain speed, but this is what it's supposed to do. You wash your hands, it goes down, no drips, no leaks. And there you have it, folks. That's how you clean out a clogged P-trap. Kitchens are a little more tricky, and we will do a video on that here in the near future. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.